Welcome to Tectonic Nights channel. Here's day 2 of solving easy LeetCode problems in Python. Today's question is find the original type string 1. Here Alice is trying to type a specific string, but there's a chance she accidentally held down a key too long, which means one character could have been typed more than once. This mistake can only happen once. Our goal is to try to figure out how many different original strings Alice might have meant to type. Let's go through this example string. The example given here is ABB 4 Cs. There are 4 possible scenarios here. Let's look at each one of the scenarios one by one. Maybe the second B here was typed twice by accident. Here the second C could be a mistake where Alice pressed the key too long. Next, the third C might have been typed by mistake too. Finally, the last C could also be an error. On top of these 4 options, we cannot forget the original string where Alice typed everything right. So altogether, there are 5 possible original strings, 4 with 1 mistake and 1 without any errors. Now let's dive into the coding section. Let's start by setting our count variable to 1, since the input could be one of the original strings. If the current and the previous characters are the same, then it means there's a chance Alice might have pressed the key for too long and typed that letter multiple times. If they do, we'll increment the count. In the end, we'll return this count variable. The time complexity is O of n. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more videos in the series. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.